Welcome to a journey through some of the most breathtaking and enchanting destinations in Europe, offering a tantalizing glimpse into your bucket list dreams. Join us as we explore the hidden gems, the natural wonders, and the rich cultural tapestry that make these places unforgettable. From the turquoise shores to the alpine heights, each destination has a unique story to tell and a place on your travel bucket list. So pack your bags and let's embark on this European adventure of a lifetime with plenty of bucket list suggestions along the way. The Algarve, where golden beaches meet rugged cliffs, and the Atlantic waves sing a soothing melody in this coastal haven. Visit the stunning rock formations of Ponta da Piedade, relax on the iconic Praia da Marinha, and savor the flavors of Portuguese cuisine in charming seaside towns. With its picturesque scenery and welcoming atmosphere, the Algarve is a destination that beckons sun-seekers and explorers alike. Karlstejn Castle, a guardian of Czech history, perched on a hill with stories to tell. This Gothic fortress was built to protect the Czech crown jewels, and its well-preserved interior showcases the medieval artistry of the time. Join a guided tour to discover its historical significance, delve into the treasure vault, and explore the living history that is Karlstejn Castle. Rogoznica, a coastal gem where the Adriatic whispers secrets in the alleys of history. As you stroll along the charming promenade, you'll feel the allure of the sea and the warmth of the Mediterranean sun. Discover hidden coves along the rugged coastline, where turquoise waters invite you to swim and relax. With its mix of Mediterranean beauty and Dalmatian hospitality, Rogoznica is an inviting escape. Meteora, where monasteries touch the heavens atop towering rock formations. Visit these spiritual retreats that seem suspended between earth and sky, where monks once sought solitude and spiritual enlightenment. The monasteries offer not only a unique religious experience, but also unparalleled views of the Greek landscape, creating a place of both contemplation and awe, where nature's grandeur meets human devotion. Hallstatt, where a mirror-like lake reflects charming pastel houses and ancient salt mines take you deep into the region's history. Explore the Hallstatt Dockstein Salzkammergut cultural landscape, where you can descend into salt mines and ascend to the viewing platform of the Five Fingers. Hallstatt is a destination that invites you to step back in time while marveling at the natural beauty that surrounds it. Kotor, a picturesque jewel nestled at the end of the Bay of Kotor. Encircled by imposing city walls, the old town is a maze of narrow lanes and bustling squares. To truly appreciate the beauty of Kotor and its surroundings, climb the 1,350 steps to the Kotor Fortress for panoramic views of the bay. Alternatively, embark on a boat journey to explore the fjord-like beauty that surrounds this historic gem. The Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a playground for outdoor enthusiasts and a paradise for nature lovers. With their jagged peaks, alpine meadows, and crystal-clear lakes, these mountains offer endless opportunities for adventure. Hike dramatic trails, ascend high passes, and witness the ever-changing hues of the Dolomites, an unforgettable alpine experience. Sintra, where colorful palaces and enchanting wells create a realm of fantasy. Begin your journey at the whimsical Pena Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that seems plucked from the pages of a storybook. Explore the mystical Quinta da Regalera with its underground passages and rich symbolism. Sintra's charm and mystique have inspired writers and artists for centuries, making it a place where reality and dreams intertwine. Tromsø, a city where the Arctic sky dazzles with the Northern Lights' enchanting display. In the winter, you'll witness the ethereal dance of the Aurora Borealis, a celestial spectacle that paints the night sky with vibrant colors. During the summer, embrace the wonder of the midnight sun, a natural phenomenon that bathes Tromsø in perpetual daylight. The city is also home to the striking Arctic Cathedral, a modern masterpiece of architecture that adds to its allure. Sibenik, a city where medieval streets lead to the splendor of St. James Cathedral. This UNESCO World Heritage Site showcases a stunning blend of Gothic and Renaissance architecture in a captivating coastal setting. Explore the intricate network of narrow streets and squares that reveal hidden gems around every corner, and immerse yourself in the rich history of this charming city. Varenna, a picturesque village on Lake Como's eastern shore, beckons with its cobblestone streets, colorful homes, and delightful lakeside dining. As you explore, you'll discover the romantic allure of this Italian gem, a place where time seems to slow, inviting you to savor la dolce vita in one of the most enchanting settings in Europe. Lake Bled, nestled in the heart of Slovenia, is a tranquil jewel offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Visit Bled Island with its iconic church, explore the medieval castle perched high above the lake, and savor the renowned Bled cream cake. Lake Bled promises not just a serene escape, but also an unforgettable journey into Slovenian charm and tradition. Bodrum, where the azure Aegean kisses the historic walls of the Bodrum Castle, and the vibrant nightlife paints the town with energy and excitement. Stroll through the charming streets of Bodrum's Old Town, explore the ancient amphitheater, and indulge in delectable seafood at waterfront restaurants. This coastal gem offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and the laid-back atmosphere that the Turkish Riviera is known for. Interlaken, an adventurer's haven surrounded by the Swiss Alps' grandeur. Whether you're paragliding over crystal-clear lakes, hiking through alpine meadows, or skiing on pristine slopes, Interlaken offers adrenaline-pumping activities and breathtaking landscapes. Don't forget to savor Swiss chocolate and take a scenic train ride to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. The next destination on our list is Ring of Kerry, a winding road that unravels Ireland's ancient tales and natural wonders. Drive through emerald landscapes, visit ancient stone forts like Stegu Fort, and enjoy scenic viewpoints like Ladies View. Along the way, you'll encounter charming villages, each with its own character and a warm Irish welcome. Neuschwanstein Castle, where fairy tales are brought to life in Bavarian splendor. Perched on a rugged hill, this iconic castle is a testament to King Ludwig II's romantic vision. Step inside to explore lavishly decorated chambers, each a masterpiece of artistry and imagination. Step outside to take in the breathtaking views of the surrounding alpine landscape, where the castle's beauty is only matched by the natural wonders of the Bavarian region. Corsica, an island where nature's rugged beauty is matched only by its vibrant culture. Hike through the granite peaks of the GR20 Trail, a challenging adventure that rewards with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Relax on pristine beaches like Palumbagia, where turquoise waters meet white sands. Savor local delicacies, including Corsican cheese and charcuterie, as you immerse yourself in the island's unique blend of French and Italian influences. Cappadocia, a dreamscape of fairy chimneys and cave-dwelling history. Soar in a hot air balloon to witness the surreal landscape at sunrise, explore the underground cities carved into the soft rock, and immerse yourself in the ancient charm of Gorem Open Air Museum. Cappadocia is a place where every turn reveals a new wonder, making it a must-visit destination. Mallorca, an island where the Mediterranean's embrace meets the charm of Spanish culture. Explore the historic streets of Palma, unwind on the sandy shores of Playa de Muro, and hike to the hilltop sanctuary of Santuari de Sant Salvador for panoramic views. Mallorca offers a delightful blend of cultural richness, natural beauty, and the laid-back atmosphere of the Balearic Islands. Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, where history dances along ancient city walls. As you wander through the impeccably preserved Old Town, you'll be captivated by the Renaissance and Baroque buildings gleaming in the Mediterranean sun. Visit landmarks like the Rector's Palace and the Sponza Palace, and don't miss the chance to walk the city walls for stunning views of the Adriatic, where every step is a journey through centuries of history. The Cliffs of Moher, where towering cliffs meet the relentless Atlantic, a symphony of nature's drama. Walk along the cliff edge to experience the sheer majesty of these natural wonders. On a clear day, the vistas stretch as far as the Aran Islands and the 12 Pins mountain range. It's a place where the elements put on a show that leaves you spellbound. Antalya, where ancient ruins whisper tales of empires past, and turquoise waters invite you to bask in the sun-drenched Mediterranean paradise. Explore the Roman-era Hadrian's Gate, lose yourself in the historic streets of Calais, and be captivated by the majestic Duden waterfalls. Antalya seamlessly blends its rich heritage with modern luxury, making it a destination where history and relaxation coexist. Lauterbrunnen, a valley of waterfalls, where nature's wonders are showcased in cascading splendor. Explore the Trummelbach Falls, accessible from inside the mountain, where you'll witness the sheer power of glacial meltwater carving its path. Take a scenic hike to Stabbuck Falls, which plunges 300 meters from an overhanging cliff. Lauterbrunnen's alpine beauty is a breathtaking sight in any season, inviting you to experience the wonders of the Swiss countryside. The Azores, a paradise of volcanic landscapes, emerald lakes, and a sense of tranquility in the heart of the Atlantic. Hike to the rim of Sete Cidades' twin lakes, immerse yourself in the warm waters of Furnace's natural hot springs, and take in breathtaking views from the Pico Mountain summit. This remote archipelago is an adventurer's playground and a sanctuary for those seeking respite from the world. Lofoten, a realm of Arctic wonders where the northern lights dance across the night sky, and dramatic fjords cradle fishing villages steeped in tradition. Discover the iconic fishing huts of Rain, embark on scenic hikes in the rugged wilderness, and savor the taste of freshly caught seafood. Lofoten is an adventurer's dream and a photographer's paradise, where nature's grandeur knows no bounds. Alanya, where the past meets the present in a stunning blend of ancient fortresses, lively markets, and pristine beaches. Wander through the imposing Alanya Castle, haggle for treasures in the Grand Bazaar, and relax on Cleopatra Beach's golden sands. Alanya's mix of history and modernity creates a vibrant coastal destination with something for everyone. Our next destination is Iseltwald, a tranquil lakeside retreat cradled in the embrace of Swiss beauty. Nestled along the pristine shores of Lake Brienz, it's a place where time slows down. As you meander through its picturesque streets, you'll find traditional wooden chalets adorned with colorful flowers. The peaceful atmosphere is perfect for boat rides, fishing, and simply basking in the alpine serenity. The Alps, a playground for adventurers and a sanctuary for nature lovers. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the alpine landscapes offer endless opportunities for adventure and breathtaking scenery. With picturesque villages, pristine lakes, and towering peaks, the Alps are Europe's ultimate mountain paradise. Each season brings its own magic, from winter wonderlands to summer idyls, and the Alps invite you to explore them all. The Faroe Islands, a remote North Atlantic haven, are where untamed landscapes meet Scandinavian charm. Rugged cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush green valleys await your exploration. Discover quaint villages and their turf-roofed houses, cruise through breathtaking fjords, and immerse yourself in the raw beauty of this hidden gem in the North Atlantic. Madeira, a botanical oasis where lush gardens bloom against the Atlantic backdrop. Explore the vibrant Mercado dos Lavradores, visit the striking Monte Palace Tropical Garden, and take a cable car ride to the hillside village of Monte for sweeping views of Funchal. Madeira's natural beauty and subtropical climate make it a year-round destination. As our European adventure comes to a close, we hope you've been inspired to add these incredible places to your bucket list. Remember, the world is full of wonders, and your next adventure might be just around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.